Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 285 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 18-inch wheels with off-roading tires. Wrangler JK Unlimited badging on the side. Black leather interior. Come around back. Trailer hitch. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Removable top. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alpine double din dash, touchscreen media display, power windows, climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Jeep has 22,358 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep, visit us at feldmanimports.com.